Unlock your creative potential and transform your raw footage into compelling stories with CapCut, the ultimate video editing companion for beginners. Let's dive straight into editing. First, open CapCut and tap New Project to import your video clips and photos. Once your media is loaded, select the clips you want to use and tap Add. You'll now see your timeline to trim a clip. Simply drag the white handles at either end of the clip on the timeline. To split a clip, move the playhead to the desired point and tap the split icon, which looks like a pair of scissors. Need to rearrange your clips? Just tap and hold on a clip, then drag it to its new position on the timeline. Now let's add some flair. Tap on a clip, and then the audio option here. You can add music from CapCut's library or your device. Want to make your videos pop visually? Select a clip, then tap Effects to explore a wide range of styles, from cinematic to futuristic. Text is crucial for storytelling. Tap Text, then Add Text, and start typing. You can customize the font, color, and animation. To adjust the length of your text, simply drag the ends of the text overlay on the timeline, just like you did with video clips. Finally, once your masterpiece is ready, tap the export icon in the top right corner, usually a square with an upward pointing arrow. To save your video, you can choose your desired resolution and frame rate. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the exciting world of video editing with CapCut. Go forth and create.